Some quick expert advices when working with materialized views in ClickHouse. First thing, when you do joins in materialized views, remember only the left table triggers the materialized view. Beware of memory issues, especially in joins. If the right table is huge, you need to filter properly. Union all is not supported in the open source ClickHouse version. It is supported in the Tinybird ClickHouse fork. This is a very important rule. Do not over-aggregate. Remember, ClickHouse is still fast, and I'm at a 10% ratio of aggregation. So if you are finding yourself, for instance, aggregating by user ID or a high cardinality column, you are probably doing it wrong, and you don't need a materialized view for that. Monitor insert latency and timeouts, because depending on the number of materialized views from your source tables, or if you have many chains materialized views, you're gonna have these kind of problems. Same too many parts. You might still have this problem if you have many materialized views with wrong partition keys. CPU spikes, they can happen as well. Avoid chains materialized views as much as possible because complexity increases. It's hard to debug what's going on, especially when there are errors. Most of the times you can just have one single materialized views that does the pre-calculation. And remember, there are operations that are really hard. We have a full chapter about schema evolution and what happens with cascade materialized views in those cases, backfilling and more. So the recommendation is use proper dev tools that abstract those database operations, and you just have to deal with the schema changes that support your analytics use cases and not the database management part. Remember, this is ClickHouse for Developers. This is a series of videos in which we are unveiling the hard parts of ClickHouse and how you can use proper developer tools to abstract that hard parts and focus on building your analytics applications. Subscribe if you like it, and left a comment if you want to learn more about any specific concept.